So we're going to do some Irish translation using ChatGPT, but first I wanted to show this is my Irish apps. I made a little home screen, so you can get this link in my YouTube bio, and if you go here, then you can access the apps that I've built so far, and there's a little description about what they are here. So here's the newest one, the Seanchló website, where you can type in Irish, and it will show it in the old orthography. So it's Misha Miha. And you can change the script here to different fonts, whatever you prefer. And then this button is a new addition, and it actually sends it to Abair, which will process whatever you've typed and send back the audio. So let's listen to this.
Díomh a chairde, sciúigi mhór mhocail an seo, is Misha Mícheál.
You can change the voice here.
Díomh a chairde, sciúigi mhór mhocail an seo, is Misha Mícheál.
Right, so we're going to do that. We're going to get the story from ChatGPT, and then I'll try and use my websites to figure out what the words mean, and we'll listen to them as well using this. Please give me a simple story in Irish, and I will try to translate to English. Then you can correct me line by line. Okay, so here's the little story. And we'll paste this into my Seanchló website. And here we have the text here in the old script. The cut beag bon and the choni diach chastra. So there was a small white cat that lived in a house by the beach. So I'll do one that's a bit easier to read first. This one. Gach maidin chuaigh sé amach chun na haon a echaidh ag eitslet as cion na farraige. So every morning he would go out to watch the birds flying over the sea, the ocean, the sea. So we'll start typing our answer back to ChatGPT. And let's actually listen to this. So we'll let's pick this one.
I cat beag bon yn y chwlni I dach coestrao, gach maidin. Wel siamach yn y hen deithoedd I gysig o siwn na ffarige, wa boen. Wel siale madr y cadw lar dain ymri. Fi yn cat agos o madr y mortysach as y gadys nhw. Dyn mae siale I chele gach gwaw. Agos fi siar swn y sosta.
Okay, I'll just write it in here. So there was a small white cat that lived in a house by the beach. Every morning, gach maidin chuaigh it went amach out chun tú na haon a echaidh to watch the birds, to see the birds. Etchlet, etchlet, etchelt, 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 I think. To see the birds flying over the sea. Láhain bhfuil sé madra chailtiúil dar banam drí. So one day it met a dog, a friendly dog. Chailtiúil, friendly. Madra dog. Dar banam rí, that was called rí. Bhí an cat agus an madra mar tasach as an Gaeilge nua. So this word seems similar to that. I don't know the exact form, but I'm pretty sure it's friends. Good friends or something. So the cat, an cat, the cat, agus an madra, and the dog. Bhí were mortasach, 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 mortasach. Let's see what this means. Right. Okay, so they were proud to be new friends. Or maybe this is to make us. They were proud to make new friends. Proud of their new friendship. Okay, so this is proud of. So proud of. And then this is a eclipse, so it's their new friendship. And let's actually use my other website to search up this word and see is there any actual sentences. So there's one here. Although we didn't fall out completely, the friendship cooled off. Okay. Came cold on our friendship. On the friendship. Okay. Right. So dimmer shield le Gaeilge. So dimmer Emmert played, I think. They played with each other. Le Gaeilge. Gach lá, every day. Agus bhí siad sona sásta. Agus bhí siad, and they were sona sásta, very happy, let's say. Right, I will actually check out is there a translation of the whole story? So this is what Google says. There was a little white cat who lived in a hut. Oh, I'm pasting this one. It's getting confused. There was a little white cat lived in a house by the beach. Every morning he went out to watch the birds flying over the sea. One day he met a friendly dog named King, Ri is king. The cat and the dog were proud of their new friendship. They played together every day and they were happy. So we're going to paste our translation into GPT and see what it says. Okay, I said the car and the dog. It should be cat. Okay, that was fun. Should I do one more? Should I do one more? Yeah. Right, I'm doing one more. One more, please. Okay, so we're going to paste this into the Seanchló website. And then we'll actually click it to read it out as well. Let's try Connacht one.
Bhí buachal ó barab anam liam ina chúni is sráid bhaile beg, lá amháin. Fuair sé cuinín beg dubh sa chail. Thug sé an cuinín a bhaile agus thug sé dó bhóg mar anam air. Bhí liam an sásta, mar bhí cara nó aige, thug sé dó bhóg amach, gach lá chun rit timpeall sa ghairdín.
Okay. So the Bochalog, so a young boy, was the Rabbanim was called Liam. In the Choni lived in Stradwalje. Lived in a village. I think there's a village or a town, a small town. So there was a young boy, Bochel. Vi Bochel og Drabanim Liam in a choni a Stradwalje Björk. There was a young boy called Liam that lived in a small town. Láhain fuair sé cuinín beag dubh sa chóil. Okay, so one day fuair sé cuinín beag. I think this might be found, is it? Let's see, can we look it up on my other website? So we can see there's a lot of different forms of this word. Let's see, do they have anything in common? Got. Did you get the money I got? I was lucky that I got the job, so it's getting something. We'll guess. One day, he got a... I wonder is it got or found? We'll check here. So let's leave it as got and see can GPT correct us on it. He got a small rabbit. Small black rabbit. Dove. In the forest, in the woods. Thug sé an cuinín a bhaile agus thug sé dómhóg mar an mér. Right? So he took the rabbit home. Thug sé an cuinín a bhaile. He took the rabbit home. Agus thug sé, and he gave it the name as a name. He gave it dómhóg as a name. Bhí Liam an sásta, mar bhí cara nua aige. So Liam was very happy because a new friend was at him. So because he had a new friend. Thóg sé do bhóg amach gach lá chan ra timpel sa gheargin. So he took the Vogue outside every day to run around the garden. So first we'll see what Google thinks this means. A young boy named Liam lived in a small village. One day he found a little black rabbit in the woods. He took the rabbit home and named it Dovog. 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 Liam was very happy because he had a new friend. He took Dovog out every day to run around the garden. Okay, here's our translation. We're going to paste it to ChatGPT. Okay, so Stradvalja means, Bjug means a small village. Small town is far, but yeah, I guess village. What's the word for town then? Wonder will this work? This is just Balja. Balja. Walja. Balja. Balja. Okay. Found fits better. So we noticed that. We intentionally left it as that. So that's good to know. Should I do one more or that's it?
I think that's it.
That'll do. Perfect. Let's end it there. Thanks very much. Slán go fóill.